Welcome to Suziestouch, where I share with you amazing recipes from all over the world with a sprinkle of style and inspiration. And because we're going to be eating so good, we can't forget about fitness. So join my community by hitting the subscribe button and let's do this together. Today we're making the most delicious and simple kidney bean salad that is perfect for anyone, especially for those that do not want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen or are new to cooking, because it is so easy and quick to make. So let's get to it. This salad only requires 10 ingredients that are most likely already in your pantry. So let's put it together. First things first, I am going to slice up some onion, red onion. You're going to need red onion, okay? So we're gonna slice it up into very thin half circles. Layer is gonna be the red onion in the bowl, like so. Now we're going to chop some cilantro. I just need to get a different knife because I like to chop it with a different knife. And now we are going to add the kidney beans. I've already rinsed them so that they're not sticky and there's no juices in it. So we're going to add this into the bowl. So here we put more onion on top of the beans, like so. And then we add the rest of the cilantro. Now we're going to crush garlic into our salad, like so. We are done with our chopping and cutting, so we can move the cutting board aside. Seasonings are extremely simple. We are using sweet paprika. We are using black pepper. Salt, of course, we can't forget salt. The main seasoning that goes into the salad is called chmieli suneli, which is traditionally a Georgian spice mix, which you can get on Amazon. I do have a link right below this video, my Amazon shop where you can get it. I highly recommend you get this for this salad or other things. That you can use it in other dishes too. I use it quite often, but for this salad in particular, it is perfect. It goes so good with it. So, chmieli suneli. Two ingredients that we're going to add to our salad is olive oil and white wine vinegar. So best way to mix a salad, I think, is by hand. So I like to put on a glove and just go in with my hand and mix the salad. This way it gives it a nice mix. You make sure that all the seasoning is nicely mixed in there, and the olive oil and the vinegar. This is a beautiful salad to serve on any occasion. It's also a great salad to meal prep with. So if you guys meal prep, this salad will stay in your refrigerator perfectly fine for up to 5 days. So it's a great salad to meal prep with, packed with protein. So there we go. We got it all nice and mixed. Now we let it sit in room temperature for, I don't know, 15-20 minutes, and it's ready to be served. So good.